Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a way to fertilize your outdoor plants or vegetables or trees and shrubs this season to help them look their best? I was, and that's why I got this Triple Super Phosphate fertilizer from CZ Garden Organics. So I did some research and the tree in my front yard was looking very sad and really needed some help. So I bought this and I followed the directions, and I am so impressed with how easy it was to use. These are little like granular pebbles that you spread according to the directions around the base of the plant or the tree. It comes in a resealable bag, and this is a 5-pound bag, so I was able to use quite a bit of this for several of my plants and trees. So I spread it around the tree that was looking really unhappy and really sad, and I am so impressed by how beautiful my tree looks now 25 days after I fertilized it with this fertilizer. It's beautiful, it's green, it's looking fantastic. So this is a very simple to use fertilizer that's fast acting and promotes vigorous growth. So if you are looking for a great way to boost your trees or your shrubs, your vegetables or your flowers this season, I highly recommend adding this fertilizer. It's easy to use, it comes in a resealable bag, and I am so impressed by the results. It's definitely the fertilizer I'm going to keep reaching for to help my plants look their best. And that is my point of view.